Wow, the mall is so big today.
Wow! Look at that super game console! Wow, I can play it here. Mom, buy me that game right now.
You're not allowed to play here. Where are your parents?
I want it!
No, Liam, it is too expensive. We don't buy toys today.
It is not fair! I want it! I want it! No! Buy it for me!
Liam, stop this right now. Stand up.
Huh?
What's happening? Oh my God.
I will not go home without the game.
Crying loudly will not change our minds, Liam. Liam, when you are done crying, you can follow us.
They left me.
Leave me alone. I am mad. If you also feel sad for Liam right now, please subscribe to our channel.
Liam, stop kicking my seat. That is bad behavior. Liam, let's talk. We must spend money on things we need first. Needs are food and water. We cannot live without them. The game console is a want. It is for fun.
If you want it, you must do chores to save your own money.
I am sorry for the tantrum. I will work hard. Wipe, wipe, make it shiny. Drink water, little plants. Fold in half. Done. So many toys to put away. Here is a clean plate, Mom.
Thank you, my little helper.
Dad's shoes here. Mia's shoes here.
Very organized, Liam.
Let's see my savings. 10, 20, 30, 45? Oh, I only have 45. It is not enough. It is okay. I will work for one more week.
Yes!
Happy birthday, Liam.
Wow, a big present! Like the game console, but I didn't have enough money.
We saw how hard you worked for months. As a reward, we added the missing $5.
Yay! Liam earned his toy!
Thank you. I love you so much. Buying things with my own money feels so good. Let's play together, Mia.
Aloha! Welcome to Hawaii, everyone.
Yay! Yay! I cannot wait to swim in the sea.
Where is our luggage? The belt stopped.
I am sorry, your luggage went to Alaska.
Alaska? But our swimsuits are in there. I am so thirsty. Let me open this juice. Oh! Oh no, my shirt is purple! I am sorry. I squeezed it too hard.
It is okay. Look at our cool rental car. GPS, take us to the beach. Oh, great. Now I am a...
Finally, let's...
Here, little birds. Have some cookies. I am sorry. I lost our food.
Stay here. Don't move. I will find a cover.
Help me! Michael! Liam!
Run to the hotel! Hurry!
I hate this trip. Everything is bad. I am cold and hungry. I broke the lamp. I ruined the juice. It is all my fault. It is all my fault. I gave our food to the birds. This is a nightmare.
If you also feel sad for Liam and Mia right now, please subscribe to our channel.
Kids, listen to me. It is not your fault. Accidents happen.
We don't need perfect things. We just need to be happy.
Yes, Dad.
Kids, turn your faces away and close your eyes. We have a surprise.
Open your eyes! Welcome to the indoor beach!
Wow! Wow! What is this?
Aloha! I am the Hula King! Hula hula!
I want to join the beach party. Wow! Best coconut water ever.
Cheers to Hawaii!
It's vocabulary time. Aloha, luggage, belt, reassure, shelter.
Please like, subscribe, and share our channel.